President Cyril Ramaphosa's recent admission of knowing Hongwane Maumela, one of the alleged leaders of the Tembisa Hospital looting syndicates, has sparked demands for an investigation into his conduct.
I can say I walk past that house when I go on my walks. Now, in 2024, so it should be known, because Mr. Magwenya only focused on this photograph. In 2024, I am walking on that same street, and a person comes out of this house, and he greets me. And as I often meet people, I ask them, "Who are you?" He says, "I am Hongwane Maumela." And that's how he introduces himself to me. And I say, "So you are the Maumela who is putting my name into disrepute." And he smiles away. And now I've encountered this person, and I walk away.
During a session with members of parliament at the National Council of Provinces, Ramaphosa acknowledged his acquaintances with Maumela, attributing their connection to a marriage he had 43 years ago to Maumela's aunt. This revelation contrasts sharply with his previous denial in 2022, when he stated he did not know Maumela in response to a question from DA leader John Steenhuisen. He previously claimed that his lack of prior encounters with Maumela was gospel truth.
A recent example, one of your own nephews, whose company scored contracts worth 381 million rand from Gauteng hospitals. And you write that it's not being felt by the majority of our citizens because BE only benefits ANC-connected cronies.
Now you keep saying my nephew. I don't even know this gentleman. And so let's not even get there. I don't know him.
On Sunday, 12 October, Ramaphosa reiterated his denial of knowing Maumela, describing a video showing him near Maumela's mansion as coincidental. However, he disclosed that he had seen Maumela during regular morning walks in his Sandton neighborhood in both 2023 and 2024. He noted an encounter where he saw Maumela emerging from a massive house under construction, which he later learned belonged to him. This matter has been in the headlines for several days. I married his father's sister 47 years ago, and we divorced 43 years ago. When I told Honorable Steenhuisen in 2022 that I did not know Maumela, it was true since I had not encountered him at that point, Ramaphosa explained, detailing the circumstances of their subsequent meetings. He added, later in 2023, while I was walking in my usual route, my convoy passed by his house, and in 2024, as I walked along that street again, Maumela greeted me. It was the same individual who was tarnishing my name. I chose to walk away. President Ramaphosa addressed the corruption allegations surrounding Maumela, indicating that he confronted him directly. However, he did not confirm any close personal relationship with Maumela, who had been named in a special investigating unit report. This report accuses him of leading significant syndicates responsible for the looting of Tembisa Hospital. These syndicates allegedly misappropriated public health care funds through fraudulent tenders, inflated pricing, and the submission of non-existent deliveries. The SIU's investigation revealed that Maumela utilized a network of 41 companies to illegally extract 82 million rands from the hospital over 2 years. In total, the broader investigation found that 3 syndicates were accountable for looting more than 2 billion rands. Recently, when questioned about a video featuring Ramaphosa and his former advisor, Jomo Sibiya, outside Maumela's residence, presidential spokesperson Vincent Ngwenya clarified that Ramaphosa was unaware that the house belonged to Maumela. It's widely known that President Ramaphosa enjoys walking whenever he gets the chance. He had invited Mr. Sibiya for a stroll, as he often dies with staff and ministers. While passing the house, they were approached by Thibo Taj, accompanied by his mentor. They took pictures, resulting in a well-known video. During the walk, the president engaged with several individuals, even taking photos with them, Ngwenya explained. Ramaphosa's sudden acknowledgement of knowing Maumela has ignited a political controversy, with opposition parties like the African Transformation Movement and the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party demanding accountability. ATM spokesperson Zaman Chona drew parallels with the Phala incident, asserting that Ramaphosa has also lied from the beginning. As the ATM, we are not surprised by this revelation. It's just in his nature to be dishonest. He lied about everything concerning Phala, including tax payments and failing to report the matter. While we are disappointed, we are not shocked by these revelations. The MK Party plans to formally request the Speaker of Parliament, Thoko Didiza, to initiate an investigation into Ramaphosa. Umkhonto weSizwe Party spokesperson, Nhlamulo Ndlela, accused Ramaphosa of dishonesty. Every move Ramaphosa makes seem to pull him deeper into quicksand. He's deceiving us again. His son Andile is related to Maumela, yet he claims not to know him. We'll see him at the ad hoc committee investigating allegations of political interference in the police. The president is a flip-flopper of note. What do you guys think about this whole Maumela and Ramaphosa saga? Personally, I think the president is a liar. Because if you used to know someone and someone inquires about that particular individual, you don't dismiss knowing them entirely. You mention that, I know that person but I haven't seen them in years, or whatever the case. But you don't just dismiss it entirely, especially if that particular person is living within the neighborhood that you walk in. Come on, man. It's crazy considering the fact that the families at some point were in unison. All of a sudden it doesn't know the guy. I wouldn't know him too if he's involved in dodgy things and I'm the president, you see. It's really not looking good for Ramaphosa. And where's the outrage? Where the white ladies by the robot screaming, Ramaphosa must go, Ramaphosa must go. You see the favoritism in this country. You see, cause the country is going down but no one is saying anything about Ramaphosa. It's just Ramaphosa switching stories whenever he wants. Guys, let me know what y'all think about this whole saga. Like the video, share it, drop a comment. The watch.